boy Be Smooth back at it again. Alright, everybody. To everybody new, welcome to the channel. Everybody who been here, you know what it is. Let's get it. Alright, so I'm coming at y'all today like this. Y'all know the truck ain't got no battery. Alright, cool. So I hit up a little company and we're finna try some shit out. Alright. Can't lie, I'll be lying to you if I'm like, I know what it's doing, yada yada. I'm finna give it a try, y'all. The company name is, I want to say jag35 or something. Basically, they sell Cmax batteries. I know everybody like, oh shit. Everybody knows the line of Cmax batteries. They not taken care of. They burn up. Or the fucked up things. All right. Cabin fever, my old truck. It actually ran off Cmax, so 90 amp hour. This right here that they said is 120 amp hour, and it only under $300, dog. So they say it support up to 20K. All right, I don't believe that. And what I do believe is this. I do believe that it will support up to probably 12 or 13K with a good alternator. All right. And the reason why I say that because I've seen these batteries actually work. I've seen a couple of people actually use them, but then I've seen them in a different form. The way that they sell it, it already loaded with bars and everything. The only thing you gotta do is add a balancer. So what we finna do, we got it back here. We finna take it out, we finna put it up here, and we finna see exactly what the hell this thing look like. Let's get it. Now that we got it up here on this table, finna open and see what we're working with. Y'all see bugs and shit everywhere. Whew, y'all excuse me, man. My allergies been haywire since I got back. So we're gonna open it. And let's get it open and see. We got it wrapped up in all kind of paper. Not plastic, but paper. More paper. Okay. Alright, and they already had the leads out for the balancer. That's neat. And this is it right here. Interesting. So they got it labeled hot and ground, and it's still in the original form. And like they say, one cell is not used. That cell is not used. Y'all excuse my allergies, please. So what we're gonna do is this. All right. So this balancer, I think it will fit any 4S balancer, which I ordered, but it's just a regular 4S. Let's see. So as y'all see, it does not fit my little 4S balancer. But you can get this on eBay, yada yada yada, just 4S. But they are labeled, so we're gonna tap into it with our balancer. Woo! Allergies is fucking killing me. So y'all work with me. And we have mounts and everything else for the 4S balancer. Let's get it. Alright, so what we're finna do now is go ahead and connect this balancer. So we got negative, cell 1, 2, 3, and positive. And as you can see, my 4S only have 4. So perfect. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and connect this, and let's get back to it. Guys, so we're gonna do this. I'm trying to get my phone some kind of way situated so I can actually record as I do this. But I'm just gonna be using these and just my regular pointers. And as you can remember, negative was here. So it'd be better if you mark it. Negative was here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as you can see, negative 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's give it a try. On its own. And we're gonna wrap this up and make it look all, just make it look as one. As you notice, I didn't put all the screws in because I'm gonna actually use 2 screws here. Well, use 2 screws here and here to mount it somewhere. And we're gonna try to get this big fella out of here and put her in the truck. Like I say, this came from jag35 or something like that. I dropped the link, but quote unquote, I don't get paid to talk about him. He was kind of mean to me anyway. But anywho, let me get to it. All wrapped up. Now the thing that I hate about this balancer here, hell, you don't know if this motherfucker on or not. So, gotta go for what we know. Let's throw it off in the truck, y'all. Let's get it. So we got the battery in. I just set the balancer up here for now. Here's the fucked up thing. Okay. This is the fucked up thing. Alright. It got little nice bolts on it. So I was able to bolt it down back here. But it came with no fucking bolts for this motherfucker. So yeah, it came with no fucking bolts. Oh well, let's put the rest of it together. Let's get it. Let's get it hooked up and see how we're looking. All right. Well, it is able to close. I may build a little case for it later. Yeah. Might build a little case for it later. But it is able to close, so that's good. That's good. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we gotta go find some screws. Let's get it. This is what we'll be using to boost the voltage. This is what we'll be using right here. Diodes. I have to look up the exact number, but need information on it, then I'll look it up. If not, then oh well. This is what we'll be using, diodes. 2 of them. Guys, I went and found some bolts. Now, one thing I don't like about this setup here, it's very flimsy right here. It's not tight. Should have been something like to brace the front of it. Basically just up, but we're finna see, man. We're finna give it a try. We're gonna start it up and charge it first before we even put the amps on it. We'll put the, you know, the 20K on it and actually basically see what is what, man. So let's try it. Say this, I tested with the 15K. I mean, why I say 15K? With the 20K. And I tested with the doors. I have 0 voltage drop with my doors, all right? And remember, I do have 5K, 3K, 1000.4, and a 2K, and I have 0 voltage drop. All right, that is fucking awesome. All right, tried it with the woofer. It's still need more on the woofer side. So I tell you right now, I want to do a little more testing. I won't let it charge completely up, and then we're gonna go from there and see exactly, you know, what is what. But as of right now, I don't want to say, hey, it's legit, hey, it's not legit. So let me be the test dummy. All right, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Your boy out here, like I say, if you just want to go ahead and just buy you one, you know, without doing testing or anything, I'll drop the link. Like I say, I don't get paid shit. I don't get paid shit for half of the shit I do on here. I just do it for y'all. I know a lot of folks be like, damn, I want to try it. Well, I can tell you this, I tried it, it worked. I've been out here now for about a couple of hours fucking with it, and I'm not unsatisfied. I'm 100% satisfied right now. So with that being said, y'all stay tuned. Like I say, more on the way. Let's get it.
Baby, dance the night away. Let's go. I'm feeling good. I'm in a good mood. Won't let you kill my vibe. Won't let you do it. I've been working hard. I just wanna treat myself. Why I can't? Tell me why I can't. Oh Lord, do it if it's right, but don't do it if it's wrong. Do it right, baby, live your life. I'm feeling good. I'm in a good mood. Won't let you kill my vibe. Won't let you do it. I just bought me some brand new shoes. I wanna slide and step. I wanna dance the night away.